Hello friends. So to put data into Hive table, we have few ways. One is load data that I told you in my last lecture. Another is insert query. Using insert into if we want to overwrite it, we can use the optional keyword overwrite. Otherwise, the default is append. Let's create a table first. There is nothing. So let's load it. Insert into table emp underscore insert demo. And from where we want to load, we'll load from our existing table emp underscore from local. So we'll write select query. If you want to do some transformation in data, we can mention here, but the only thing is we need to mention the sequence same which exists in emp underscore insert demo. So if you see here, mr job is started, and once it get completed, we'll have data here. Let's see on HDFS location. See, so Hive is doing its part. That's why it's created a temporary directory where it is writing data, and once the job get completed, it will transfer it. So MapReduce program is running. We can see detail here. You can track the progress here. Okay, it's saying success. Let's run select query. So all 108 rows are imported successfully. Let me show you on Hadoop also. So this is my file, 7.45 KB, normal text, and it's comma separated. Another way to create table is create table and then select query, like create table ctas and then my select statement. Now it will create a default manage table, as well as all properties of emp from local will come into this table properties also, like the field separator, comma separator, uh, I mean row separator, and other all properties. So we have to go back to our warehouse path. Inside Hive demo, if you see emp ctas folder is created, and here is our data. So it got completed successfully in 37 seconds, and we got our data into a new table. So that was ctas query.